Right, really, really nice car this, an incredible value. That's what it's all about. Range Rover Sport D300 now. This is the newer engine for this model Sport. It's an HSE Silver Edition in Firenze Red on a 2021 plate. It's done 41,000 miles. This car's just been serviced at Land Rover. It's lovely as well. It really, really is cool. From the black badging to the black wheels. Now, this is a special car because these cars in the Silver Edition was sort of the last of the line for the release for this model car. So you get refrigerator, you get heated steering wheel. This one's got the opening sunroof, which is a key option. Look at this. It looks great. Look at the bottom section to the doors, all painted in gloss black. The wheels, all immaculate steps. It's a really, really good car for the money. 300 horsepower, air suspension, heated front and rear seats, electric memory seats, Meridian sound. Look at the two-tone dash. It's got everything for me, this car, for £39,990. Great four-wheel drive for the winter or for any season really, especially with the opening sunroof. Rare in this colour as well for the Silver Edition. It's called Firenze Red. You'll notice the styling features on this car are slightly different because the Silver Edition you get this exterior door handle colour in grey. Again, notice we'll actually walk around this way, Tom. Notice underneath the doors, all painted in gloss black. The wing insert, again, black and two-tone, as well as the bonnet insert. It's got a real nice styling to it. We talk about the front end, so dynamic lights, black badging, dynamic grille, again, two-tone, and the bottom section all two-tone. So that theme runs throughout. You'll see the LED fogs as well. So it looks really, really nice. Again, a practical car. You know, the newer version of this car gives it the D300 engine. So that, again, it is what it says, 300 horsepower. Nappa leather. In black, you've got the two-tone doors. If you notice, the lighter headlining as well, which people prefer. Heated rear seats. You've got power points in the back as well. Steps are another feature, which are an extra. And then in the boot, LED lights, black boot finisher. Again, the two-tone accents to the bottom of the car. Black badges. Assisted tailgate. And with air suspension is standard in these cars. Raisable from and lowerable from the back, but also inside. Split folding seats. Parcel shelf in place. Let's go into the front. So this car's done 41,000 miles. Like I say, it's just had a service at Land Rover, which makes it, you know, it's not cheap to do, and it had a major service as well, so it's pretty much ready to go. Dynamic steering wheel in the Silver Edition, so it's a smaller with a stainless steel edge. We've got cruise control with lane assist and heated wheel, which I've got on, which is very, very nice indeed. Switchable driver cockpit, again, really usable interface with navigation, Bluetooth, media integration. You've got Apple and Android CarPlay by plugging your phone in. Through the centre, you've got heated front and rear screens, heated front seat, selectable here, or by pushing that button and selecting it like so. Gear shifter, obviously into reverse. You'll notice we've got the reverse camera, as standard on one of these cars. Air suspension switchable here, electric handbrake, and refrigerator to the centre console in the Silver Edition. With the sliding roof, light headlining, the car's beautiful. It's a great buy for £39,990, so treat yourself. Give me a call, my number's on the screen, it's Richard. When we get cars like this, if you follow what we do, you'll know that they sell quickly. It's no sales pun or tactic, it is the truth. So be quick. Thanks for watching.